You zoomed out, right? Okay. Alright, so this is the Hoover Power Dash. So we're going to see how it does. Got the fluid in there. Let's see, we got water stains, which is weird because when the water got in there, it swished out all the dirt and dog urine from when the dogs were puppies. So it's, yeah, anyway, a lot of this is urine. It's been cleaned, but it's like after you clean it comes up again, and it came up after I returned the rug doctor that I had used, and I'm not going to keep running something until it damn stains out. So I mean, it doesn't smell like urine, but I know that's what it's from. So let's see how this thing majigger does. I'm supposed to do that. The squeeze handle here apparently is for the water. It's a little awkward. All right, turn it on. Apparently that's the sound it makes when it's out of water because it's just sucking air. But as of right now, it's looking better. I would definitely say so. And you can see there is some pretty nasty looking water. So we'll go over it a couple more times and we'll call that good. And then, well, after these stains are gone, and then I'll go ahead and I'll do the whole thing. I just want to work these areas first. So.